by Nestle Fitness. Try the 14-day program and shape up your lifestyle.
Everybody just have a good time, and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockets in the house tonight. Everybody just.
Today, 19 girls will be leaving the comfort of their homes. For the next 30 days, they will be staying in one house. This is Beauty Camp. Every minute, these girls will be scrutinized. Every action will be judged. They will be pushed to the breaking point, as it is the only way to make them shine. If they do not perform, they'll be considered for elimination. For the first time, you get to choose who stays in the running for Miss Universe Malaysia.
I have 6 sisters altogether, 1 brother. They're my best friends, but they're also really annoying sometimes. The reason why I want to be Miss Universe Malaysia is because I want to be a role model to guide youth today to be committed, to have perseverance and discipline, and not to be a quitter.
I'm not your average Jane, not your girl next door client, but because I'm fabulous, I'm exotic.
Hi, my name is Cassandra. I'm 20 this year. Being true to myself is one principle that I hold on to. Kill or be killed is like, do your best. Because if you kill someone, he or she will not be back to kill you. So, finish it.
Speak Bahasa, and especially because I can speak French, and I would think that being bilingual, I can connect with a variety of people.
I used to teach nursery children, ages 6 and below.
Ladies, congratulations and welcome to Beauty Camp. This will be your home for the next 30 days. My name is Andrea Fonseka, and I will be your mentor and judge throughout the entire duration of this journey with you. Throughout this journey in Beauty Camp, we will be testing you and challenging you in various ways, amongst which your perseverance, your versatility, your performance, and of course, your personality. At the end, only 8 of you will be left standing here to go on to the finals, where only 1 of you will be crowned Miss Universe Malaysia. You'll be joining the league of Deborah Henry, Elaine Daly, Dato Yasmin Yusuf, and of course myself. So let's talk about the eliminations. The poorest performing of you will be judged and be put up for elimination. Then only Malaysia can keep you in Beauty Camp. If you have chosen to be eliminated, you have to pack your bags and leave Beauty Camp immediately. But I can assure you one thing. Once you've stepped into Beauty Camp, you will never be the same. If you're eliminated, you will be leaving a stronger, better person. And trust me, I've been through it, so I know. So ladies, be prepared for a journey of a lifetime. Go check into Beauty Camp and be quick because the rooms are limited and first come, first serve.
I'm actually a happy-go-lucky person. I think just being myself is good enough, because I really want people to know the real me.
It was sort of a mad dash to try to get to the 3rd floor because we knew that some of the bigger rooms were there. And then when we were running up there, everyone just turned left, and when we got to the room, it was the biggest room. It had 6 beds.
I was rushing up with Juanita, and when I got there, I thought all was taken because there was like 6 places. And I was like, okay, I think it's all taken, so I wanted to run. And then the girl's like, Sachi, come back, there's another space. And then I turned around and I was like,
so now I'm sharing with 5 other girls.
My injury started quite a few years ago. I was the head cheerleader back in Form 5, and it required a lot of throwing people and catching people, and I fell a few times. So I think it was then that I hurt it. I know beauty camp is going to be quite difficult, especially now that I have my injury, but that's not going to stop me.
Practically, my mom has been my main supporter throughout the whole competition. Without her, I wouldn't even be at this stage in the finals.
I'm in Miss Universe Malaysia because I want to gain more experience, and this Miss Universe Malaysia is like a one-in-a-lifetime thing, so I don't want to miss these opportunities.
Well, welcome. We've all checked in. How do you like your rooms? Good? Now, you don't know this, but the competition actually began on the 13th of September at the press conference. You were judged there. The 2 best performing girls at the press conference who impressed certain people the most is actually going to be on the cover of Kunang Kunang magazine. This magazine is on a regional airline, and it's sold throughout Malaysia. It'll be the November issue. Gabriella, you're one of the girls.
When she mentioned my name, my heart was just trembling really fast. I'm so scared. I thought, maybe I've done something wrong.
Well done. Everyone said you were bubbly, you were cheerful, you were friendly, and so you really impressed the people there, especially people at Kunang Kunang. So, congratulations. So, Chitra, you're the other girl. Alright? This is your home for the next 30 days, and you have to take care of it. And we need to choose a house leader. The house leader will be in charge of getting all the girls up in the morning, or getting them gathered, like how Suchitra did just now, assigning chores, making sure the chores are done. Because you're going to have to do your own dishes, you're going to have to do, your own laundry. Jennifer, you're the house leader.
Thank you. When Andrea gave me the house leader role, I didn't expect it at all.
Why are you here?
I have no idea.
She's very, very low self-esteem, so I hope to give her this opportunity, number 1, to allow her to realize that she can do something. Number 2, to allow her to be forced into a position.
I was shocked that she actually gave me that mission.
I don't know her very well, but from what I can tell, she's nice and she's sensitive. She's good at making new friends, but she can also be very quiet.
You can appoint an assistant. Who would it be? Sana. Alright? You are the assistant. In no way does that make you the house leader. Everything must be referred to Jennifer. You have a stronger personality than Jennifer. So, I don't want that to overpower you. The reason why you've been selected is because I notice you're very quiet. We want to build you all up. Okay? Okay, now before I leave you, we have some gifts from Nestle Fitness. You've got these water tumblers, this mug, and this t-shirt. You need to put your names on them so you don't get mixed up with other people's things. So you'll be wearing these shirts very early in the morning. So sleep well, rest, you need it, and good night. Jennifer, you were supposed to ensure that everyone was sorted.
1, 2, 3, looking better. 1, 2, 3, leave the ground.